When it says Parler Inc. purchased for cash at $15 per share all of the 250 shares of outstanding common stock, that means immediately that we are going to be purchasing 100% and will therefore be applying the acquisition method. Next thing we need to note is that at the balance sheet date, the company that we're acquiring, Shaw, had carrying amounts of net assets of $3 million. So this is going to be the book value on our debit side. So we now could put the net book value of the assets being that $3 million. So the next important thing to note is at the date the fair value of Shaw's property, plant, and equipment exceeded its carrying amount by $400,000. So the fair value was in excess of the carrying value. That means we have an adjustment to fair value of $400,000. $400,000. So that's going to be our adjustment to fair value. The total fair value, therefore, is going to be $3.4 million. A couple other things that we need to know for the debit side. The final two components are going to be the identifiable intangibles and the goodwill. So what we're going to be looking for is the goodwill. That's the ultimate question, but I don't see anything else in here that implies that we have identifiable intangibles to worry about, so we are not going to worry about that. So now we can take a look at what would be applied to our credit side. So they purchased it for cash at $15 per share, and they're purchasing 250 shares of their common stock. So that's going to be a $3,750,000 investment in the subsidiary. So we have $15, all 250 shares. We're going to be able to apply that $3,750,000 here. So again, that's going to be the $15 times the 250,000 shares. How about our non-controlling interest? So we know that we're purchasing all of the shares. So therefore, we have zero non-controlling interest, right? We purchased 100% of them. We're not going to have anything there. All right, simple enough. So now we're comparing the 3.75 million to the 3.4 million, and anything else is just going to be a plug to either our goodwill or gain. In this case, our credit side, our investment is going to be in excess of our debit side, so we're going to be able to apply and plug goodwill, not a gain. So the difference is going to be the 3,750 less 3.4 million. Our plug is 350,000. B is correct.